This parcel will contain 4 legs, 1 tabletop, 1 Allen key and some nut and bolts. Take a mattress and keep it on the floor. Take the tabletop and put it upside down on the mattress to make sure that the tabletop is not scratched by the floor. Every corner on the table has a number written on it, and the same number can be found on the leg. In our case, we can see that we have 25, 26, 27 and 28 written on the table corner. Now we will find the table leg having the same number. Now we will unscrew the nut from the table leg. We will place the leg in proper position like this. And fasten the screws. Like this, we will install all 4 legs. Please do not tighten the screws until both the screws are fully inserted. Once the table is installed, we will keep it on the floor and put in place the drawer in the table. This way our installation is complete. So simple. And now I would like to shed some light on the properties of this table. The table is made out of pure Sheesham. The table has ample leg room and has no blockage when it comes to leg space. Thank you.